Question number 10. Two poles of equal heights are standing opposite each other on either side of the road, which is 80 meter wide. See, two poles are here, AB and CD, two poles, and distance between these two poles is 80 meter. This is the road. AC is the road. This is our first line. From a point between them on the road, the angle of elevation of the top of the poles are 60 degree and 30 degree. Take one point O, and it is then angle of elevation, it is given to you 60 degree and 30 degree respectively. Find the height of the poles, because heights are equal. You can take HH, and distance of the point from the poles. Okay, you have to find the distance. From A distance is what, and from C distance is what. So what to do? These are two triangles, no? Two right triangles. What is the name of triangle? AOB and COD. These are two right triangles. This is perpendicular. This will be the base. Let's say OC is X. What will be the remaining? 80 minus X, because the distance between A and C is 80 meter. So what we can say for this is perpendicular. This is perpendicular here, and from here this is base, and this is base. Okay, then you take one triangle. Tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base. Okay, what is tan theta? Theta is your 30 degree. You can take tan 30 degree. Perpendicular is H, and what is base? It is 80 minus X. Okay, this is your 1 upon root 3. Tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. 80 minus X. Okay, then under root 3H is equal to 80 minus X. This is your equation number 1. It is clear? Come on here. This is perpendicular upon base. Again tan 60 degree in triangle COD. So what we can say, tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base. Then tan 60 degree is equal to H upon X. Okay, tan 60 is clearly root 3, that we know. By table we can write tan 60 is under root 3. Then what will be H? Under root 3x. Okay, you can put value of H here and get value of X by 1 and 2. Root 3 is already here. On place of H I am writing under root 3x. Then what will come? Root 3 into root 3 is what? 3x is equal to 80 minus X. Okay, then 3x plus X is equal to 80. 3x plus X is 4x. 4x is equal to 80. Then X will be 80 upon 4. This is 20 meter. So it means we can say OC is 20 meter and this is your 60 meter. One answer is this: OC is 20 meter and OA will be 60 meter. Two answers are there. These are the answers. A TV tower stands vertically on a bank of canal. Okay, clearly it is AB is the TV tower. It is standing at the bank of canal. Okay. From a point on the other bank directly opposite to the tower. It is directly opposite to the tower. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degree. From the other side, this angle of elevation is given to you 60 degree. From another point 20 meter away from this point, the point is D, which is 20 meter away from point C. Point on the line joining this point to the foot of the tower, and the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degree. It is given to you. Find the height of the tower and width of the canal. Height of the tower, canal width is this. Width of the canal is x. Let width of the canal is x and height of the tower is h. Let us to see, this is 90 degree clearly. Then two angles are there. This is your base, a down base, and this is your perpendicular. And relation between perpendicular and base is of tan theta. Come on, here tan theta is equal to P upon B. Here also tan theta is equal to P upon B. Okay, then come on, for triangle ADB, tan 30 degree is equal to, height is h and base is what? From here dB is your 20 plus x. Tan 30 is clearly 1 upon root 3. This is 1 upon root 3. That is h, 20 plus x. Then root 3h cross multiplication, 20 plus x. This is first equation. Okay. For triangle ACB, angle is 60 degree, tan 60 degree. H perpendicular is very clear, and in that base is your x. This is root 3, tan 60 is root 3, h upon x. What will be h? This will be root 3x. Equation number 2. Then on place of h, I can write this root 3x. Then by 1 and 2, I am putting value of h here. This is 20 plus x. This is what? 3x. Send this here x. This is 20. 3x minus x. This is 2x is equal to 20. Then what will be x? 20 upon 2. 10 meter. Okay. 20 upon 2 is your 10 meter. And you have to find height of this pole also, vertically pole also, PV tower also. Then by second, h is equal to root 3x. What is the meaning? Root 3, x is what? 10. Then we can say 10 root 3 meter. This is your number 12. Find the top of 7 meter high building. The angle of elevation of the top of the cable tower is 60 degree. This is AB is the building, height is 7 meter, and PQ is cable tower, its height, let's say it is h meter. And angle it is given to you, the angle of elevation is given to you 60 degree. And the angle of depression of its foot is 45 degree. Angle of depression of its foot is 45 degree is this. This is angle of depression. Determine height of the tower. You have to find h. Okay. Now see in the figure, this is one type of rectangle. If I join this, this is R. Okay. This is 90 degree definitely, because both are standing perpendicularly, height and tower both. Now this is your alternate interior angle. 45 degree. This is also 45 degree. Now we have two right triangles here. One right triangle is what? This is one right triangle. Name is what? A, R and P, and other name is A, B and Q. A, R and P is this one more. Okay, and you have to compare this and get the things. Because this is 7 meter, this will be 7 meter. In rectangle, opposite sides are equal. Total height is h meter. What will be this? H minus 7 meter. Okay. Now take these two triangles and get the things. Okay. This is x meter. This should be also x meter. Okay. Now see in triangle ARP. ARP. This is tan 60 degree. perpendicular upon base. This is perpendicular h minus 7. Base is x. Okay. Then come on. 1060 is your root 3. H minus 7 upon x. So root 3x is equal to h minus 7. This is equation number 1. Come on for equation number for the next triangle ABQ. ABQ. Tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base, that we know. Perpendicular and base, it is given to you. Okay, tan theta. Here what is theta? Theta is 45 degree. Perpendicular is 7 and base is x. Perpendicular is 7 and base is x. We know that tan 45 degree is 1. This is 1 here. Okay, then cross multiply. 7 is equal to x. This is 7 meter. Okay, equation number 2. Then by 1 and 2 you can get the things. Put value of x here. Root 3, x is what? 7 is equal to h minus 7. What is the reason? By 1 and 2. What I have done? I have put the value of x in equation number 1. Send here. Root 3, I can say 7 root 3 plus 7 is equal to h. Then if you take out 7 common, you will get root 3 plus 1 meters is equal to h. And this is your answer.